Hi friends, this is Chef Rakesh Yadav. Today we will make pasta with carbonara sauce. This is pasta we using fettuccine. So let's see the ingredients. We'll start. Let's see. This is fettuccine pasta what we use for carbonara, and this is egg, fresh organic egg we use. This is bacon we use, garlic. This is for garnish, and this is for we will cook with sauce. Black pepper crush, parsley, Parmesan cheese whole, and Parmesan Romano. This is grated. So now let's see. We will start first with blanching the pastas. I'll show you and let it just boil or blanch. That is saying it's blanch. So now lots pasta take like 8 to 10 minutes. So we'll let till we will boil the pasta. We'll start cooking sauce. Let's start cooking sauce. Okay, let it boil. Okay, now we will put egg. Very simple. Sauce is there. We need to put more Parmesan. So this is the basic sauce. You can add little black pepper in this and parsley if you like. If you don't like, it's not compulsory and it's not part of this, but it's for me why I am adding, because I need to make little bit colorful. Mix nicely, see like this. So your sauce is ready. This is the mixture for sauce. Let's start now. Make golden brown of this. Let's start. This bacon will release oil because this is so fatty bacon. You can have something like this. So अब देखते हैं हम next.
हिलाओ मत, पैन को हिलाना मत अब की बात.
Let it cook till golden brown, slightly golden brown. My friend, please. Let it cook slowly. When its oil is releasing, so this will like blasting because of oil. So this is all fat coming from the bacon. You can use whatever bacon, because some countries not like pork bacon, so you can use chicken, turkey, beef bacon, whatever you like. So it's your own choice. Let it cook a little more. Oh, what is the beautiful sound that's coming? Oh my god.
अंदर ला के रखो कटोरी ऊपर ला के.
Remove the garlic. This is very important because we need to give little flavor. I remove garlic. Now for garnish, how much we need bacon for garnish? Take
अंदर
out.
ला के डालो कटोरी अंदर ला के.
Okay. Take out the garlic. See, and now we will just done with the cooking. Now add the water, pasta water what we use to make little soft. Add how much you can. So add a little bit more. Oh, so see, sauce is ready. So see.
बार है ना.
हाँ ठीक है, ऐसा होता नहीं है, याद नहीं करना.
हाँ यही समझाना चाह रहा था मैं आपको। जो आदत हो जाती है ना हो ही जाती है, याद नहीं रहता।
कुकिंग की और हो जाता है, मिक्स नहीं होता है आराम से।
हाँ।
Okay, this is the very important part. Now you need to mix very fast. Otherwise, this will be scramble egg, and we don't want scramble egg. So add little bit water. See, we are making sauce. It's like cream. Oh. So it's just mix nicely.
मत हिलाओ इसको पैन,
You see, this is the sauce.
फेंटने का ले लो।
See, now sauce is ready. See, this is the sauce we need. So now it's like creamy texture fully. So now we will just present to this. Okay, this is ready. Now we will prepare adding this one. See, this is the carbonara ready. Let's see how beautiful is this. So now you can see we need to little bit put some nicely bacon, crispy bacon. That's very important. And now we will put little, see, just flaky. And our pasta is ready. Now again, nicely, finally, a little bit more crispy bacon. If you want, you can put some parsley. And our product is awesome ready. Okay, this is pasta carbonara. See how beautiful is crispy bacon is look, and Parmesan cheese. This is the best pasta. Simple and wow. Try and let me know how's the taste. Yeah, a photo later.